I never wanted it to end. And I'm going to work really hard to continue doing yoga every day. And I'm going to keep doing the food changes. And I really loved it. And, thank you.
Namaskara Mukalanna. My name is Nandika and thank you so much for the Srishti Online Program. It has benefited my mind and my body in so many ways. I have been noticing many changes in my mind and body since the last 7 days. I have learned many types of yoga practices. Like I've learned Yoga Namaskar, I've learned neck practices, directional movements, Nada Yoga, Nadi Shuddhi, Simakriya, and tons of other practices. Also, long time ago, before this yoga program, I used to wake up only around 10 a.m. And that used to be really late. But now, I wake up at least at 7:30 a.m. to do all my yoga practices before I have school in the morning. It's really helping my mind and my lethargicness is gone. I would also surely like to take part in the camps that are coming. Once again, I'm Nandika Nair. Thank you so much for everything you have done to the Srishti Online Program. And I am 100% sure that I will benefit so much from this. And I will make my mind and body the best it could be. Thank you for everything you have done, Mukalanna. Thank you.
I am so glad this felt like a birthday gift. I really felt like I wanted to do this. But after each session, I have to tell you, I was really peaceful, but I was darn tired. I really want to meet Sadhguru, by the way. Last year, this close. I even ran after his motorbike, but unfortunately, I wasn't in the side mirror, so I guess he couldn't see me. Well, I was screaming like a maniac as well. But afterwards, I guess I have to go to Coimbatore and do some IE, otherwise I won't be able to see him ever. Thank you so much, Mr. Mukul and his team for enlightening me. I want to be a millionaire yogi. My contribution is changing the game industry from kids going pew-pew into each other's face to exploring your inner world.
Namaskaram everybody. I love doing yoga every day in the morning. I wish I could have yoga classes with Mukul Nana again. I also love Sadhguru. I wish he could come at my home someday. And I also watch his videos with my mom. Bye bye.
Namaskaram, Mukulanna. I like the Srishti program very, very much. And the way you talk about soil, I like to play with the soil. And the way you told us to eat 50% raw food, I am eating raw food every day. And the way you talk about nature, we should not harm nature. And I am trying my 100% to not harm the nature. And yoga, do you know that I am going to do yoga daily and I am going to come on offline Srishti program and I am going to meet you soon. Bye.
Hi Mukalanna, thank you so much for taking your time and teaching us yoga and all of this facts. This class has helped me a lot because my routine has become so much more healthier. I have started waking up early and I have stopped eating onions and garlic and started eating 50% of raw food before my food. Also, I have stopped drinking coffee, and this is all thanks to the class and thanks to you. So thank you so much.
Vanakkam Mukalanna. Thank you for teaching us and giving lot of care and telling what is good, what is bad. And my mom said I was too lazy. When I joined this class, I really want to do this. So thank you for giving all the times and teaching the class. Thank you, Mukka.